Welcome to Equentis MultiplyRR, your go-to platform for multiplying your savings. Explore our stock baskets on the Discover page. Each basket is curated based on different industries or themes. Every basket page provides detailed information including the stocks and rationale behind the stock selection. Select your preferred broker, highlight tenure, minimum amount and basket price. Choose a basket that fits your investment strategy. The stocks in your chosen basket will be added to your account.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.